This has been in my blood for a long time to work at American Airlines. I started this around the 8th grade. Hi, I'm Clyde Hill. I am base manager out here at American Airlines, Tulsa, Oklahoma. When the planes come here, we do our maintenance on them. We do what we call a flight confidence check. We fly them, make sure that they're good, and we put them back in service to serve our customers.
Well, I've always loved aviation as a child. My father was in aviation. First flight we ever took was American Airlines flight. The pilot, gave me the little plastic wings, and it made such a lasting impression on me. I was always, as a child, hands-on, wanting to get dirty, wanting to do things, so I just mixed that with my love for aviation, decided to give it a shot, and it ended up working out, and I love it.
We maintain about 900 aircraft here on Tulsa base. We're split up into a narrow-body fleet and a wide-body fleet. Narrow-body aircraft are the 737s, 737NG, and the 737 MAX. Wide-body aircraft would be 777s and 787 aircraft. So when it gets here, we have component shops that we send the components to the shops. They take care of them, they repair them, send them back to us. We put them back on the aircraft. So it's really a detailed inspection of these aircraft to get them back to the field safely so that we can get our customers where they need to go.
I started here in the warehouse. And so I quickly, once I went to school, I moved my way up through the channels. I would advise anybody, if you're not going to be a professional athlete, Tulsa Technology Center, not only for A&P school, but Career Tech has a lot of things to offer to people to start their careers. When I finished school, I got an opportunity to get on the floor as a mechanic, and from a mechanic to a supervisor to lead people, and from a supervisor to managing people, and it's where I am today.
Going to the school is very beneficial. It gives you a kind of a broad understanding of what to expect. You kind of get your feet wet, to kind of prepare you for what the actual workforce is. It's helpful learning mathematics, weight and balance, hands-on, rig and flight controls, things of that nature that you actually will see out in the workforce.
People that are really inquisitive, that like to learn, that like to take on different things, those are the ones that you're really excited to get because they learn their function and then you're able to take them and you go, okay, now let's teach you how to do something else, or if you have a desire to learn something else, we'll take and move you there. So people that are really lifelong learners, it's really, really important for us.
Sometimes, it's challenging. The other times it's very enjoyable, but all in all, easily the most rewarding and just fun job I've ever had. It's something new every day and it's never a dull moment.
Career Tech has prepared me for everything that I'm doing right now. It's helped provide for my family for the last 26 years. Career Tech is definitely the way to go.